Hello balloon artists! Today I'm going to show you how to transport large helium displays effortlessly. Hi, I'm Melanie from Balloon Artworks here in Derbyshire in the UK, helping you take your balloon art to the next level. These huge helium displays look absolutely fabulous, but they can be tricky to bag and it can take a little bit of time. So I'm going to show you some top tips to help you transport your helium displays. Put the base into the balloon bag. And then I've got some of these inserts. So the inserts from wine boxes, you know, they keep the bottles separate. And I've cut the slots a little bit wider than they are when they come out of the box. And I just put these in. I have shown this tip before, but some of you were struggling with this tip with the larger displays. Now it's important that you have quite a long piece here, particularly if you're using the larger displays. For example, that length there will be too short for this display, for this size of bouquet. So I wrap the ribbon around, okay, until it won't go anymore. Now, particularly if you've got a short bit of card here, these ribbons might slip off. But what you can do is just take another piece of card and slot that in there. Okay, and that's going to keep everything in place. And then all you need to do is put your balloons in the bag. And tie the top. And then when you unbag these, you can just remove the bits of card, or your client can just remove the bits of card, and your ribbons will be tangle free. I hope this tip's useful to you. Remember to like the video, subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos, which I publish on Tuesdays. And you're very welcome to join me in Balloon Artworks Academy, which is my closed Facebook group. And I'll see you again in the next video.